Hey guys, let's have a look at the Dow Jones Industrials this time. It's a 30-minute time frame chart here based on the cash market. And beginning of last week, I showed already on Twitter that here in red, rising with a wave wedge. And it has a target line presently at 33.838, and I come to that later on. First of all, I want to mention that I had my bullish targets reached here, 35,288. So I can get that out of my list here. So we clear up that chart a little bit. And I also communicated on Twitter, I try to sell that zone at 388 and 340, and that worked out quite well. Took all my positions out somewhere here, and I communicated also on Twitter, it's a nice bounce opportunity somewhere where these lows are, and that gave us another 600 points to the upside. And now have a look at that target line, and to be honest, in my opinion, it runs a bit too steep now, and it's coming a bit too low. So that's why I want you to put more attention on that bold black line here. It's a shoulder head shoulder neckline. And you see here a left shoulder with that blue triangle. You see a head and you see a right shoulder. And that neckline runs at 34,555. And the greatest amount from that head to that neckline is 817 points. And we can calculate a statistical target and a 100% target based on these numbers here, and that gives us a statistical target at 34,139 and a 100% target at 33,738. And what I would like to see is actually a move at least to that statistical target, and then we might move up and continue that bull run from that low at the end of February. First of all, we gapped down here yesterday below that neckline. We came back up again, and with a Fed we jumped up, but we just spiked over that neckline, but we couldn't really get over it and couldn't really get a confirmation above that neckline here. There's probably another attempt today to get over that neckline, but as long the price doesn't get over the head of that shoulder head shoulder pattern, this pattern remains, and these targets also remain as long as Dow Jones don't get higher than the 35,400 area. So just to keep that in mind. And a very interesting thing happened yesterday. That low we made. When you measure that first leg as an A, and we went up in the B, and we came down in a C, that C got hit perfectly. That low was at 34,277, and that 100% target of that C is 34,277. So that might be it to the downside, but just my feeling and my experience from all these levels, they are still missing out here. I rather see a move a bit lower before we move up again. There are a bunch of levels we have here. We have that 38.2, actually 238.2. They're measured from different lows. The one low from beginning of March and the other one from end of Feb. The one from beginning of March got hit, but the one from that big move from the end of February is still missing out. And that blue area, just watch that. It could be a good opportunity for a bounce. If this one doesn't work, then there is my actually preferred one, that green one, that big green area. I mean, it's quite a big area between 34,61 and 33,867. But that is, in my point of view, a good possibility that that Dow Jones does a turnaround here somewhere. So we'll see that in about half an hour. It's just before US opening, and I hope I give you a better view on the Dow Jones. So give me a thumb up, and yeah, keep liking, keep following my videos, so I continue doing that. I wish you all the best and have a great weekend. Thank you.